Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your friend Sophia. Today I'm going to make a perfect dinner for my family. Lamb loin chops. My kids and my husband love it. You too will enjoy this a very easy and scrumptious dinner that can be prepared in 45 minutes from start to finish. Before we start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Today I'm using 2.5 pounds of lamb loin chops, all natural, no antibiotic added and no added hormones. Wash them and pat them dry with a paper towel. I'm going to marinate with some salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix them well. Take a meat tenderizer and make some punches on both sides. Today my little one is helping me. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and mix them well. Marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In a cast iron grilling pan, add some olive oil over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, place the meat and cook for 5 minutes on each side on medium-low. If you want, you may caramelize some onions, but this is optional. In a cast iron pan, add some ghee. If you want, you may add some butter or olive oil. Add some thinly sliced onions and fry till they turn nice and brown. My dinner is ready now. I'm serving this with some boiled carrots and mashed potatoes. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.